morning, everybody. I am so excited about today's vlog because it is my birthday weekend. So we are doing birthday celebrations New York City style. Today is Saturday, April 22nd. My birthday is April 24th, which is on Monday, but we are celebrating today. I just got ready and Amanda is almost here to pick me up because she's an angel, and we are going to go to Central Park to have a little birthday picnic, and then later on tonight we're gonna go out. I got my girls with me. I'm so excited. It's gonna be so fun. It is cloudy today and it's supposed to be like windy, but I'm bringing a jean jacket, so I should be okay in my dress. I'm not sacrificing my cuteness for the weather. My apartment is an absolute mess. First of all, I just picked out an outfit, so that in and of itself, you know, it's like a tornado went through here. Second of all, well, that's really it. It's all just clothes, and then my stuff I'm bringing in my bags for the picnic. I went to Trader Joe's this morning and picked up some stuff for a little board. It's gonna be so fun. I'm so excited. I finally get to use my picnic blanket. I bought a picnic blanket ages ago and I just have never used it because I have not had a picnic, but I've been wanting to have a picnic in Central Park for the longest time, and organizing like a dinner and all of that, it's too much work. I wanted to go to La Pecora, which is my fave, obviously, but it was so expensive per person, and I also just didn't know how many people were gonna be able to come, so this is just, I don't know, easier, and people can come and bring a blanket and bring snacks if they want. It's very like low stakes, and I never do anything for my birthday, so I was like scared no one was gonna want to come. I don't even know the last time I had like anything for my birthday, like a party, probably when I was 10. Honestly, I never really celebrate my birthday like with other people that aren't my family, but this year I'm just so thankful because I have amazing friends that I get to spend time with today, and then tomorrow I'm going to dinner with some other friends, well, some of the same people that are going to be here. Emma and Lena, they are always here. They are visiting again for the weekend, so we're gonna go to La Pecora tomorrow night, and then Monday's my actual birthday, so I don't know what I'm gonna do then yet, but I need to go down. Amanda's sitting outside. I'm gonna grab my bags, head down, and we're gonna go pick up my cake and then walk to the park. Amanda's here. She got balloons. I'm gonna cry. She also got me a little present. We're heading to Magnolia to pick up the cake. I am so excited. Look at the balloons. Stop. I wanted to get balloons and I just like didn't. This is gonna be a great day.
I left this little like, Amazon. We look like mothers recording our first child. Wait. That was great. Good job. Who's gonna be the protector while we sing? Just how the cavemen used to do it.
I'm so brave.
You're so Oh, you're so brave.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Hannah. Happy birthday to you.
One more time while you're holding it. Happy birthday. Why is it?
To not know what's going on in life. Ah, it's so cute. I'm gonna film it. Oh my god. She's like, muffin. Look at that muffin.
Now take a chomp.
Oh, you should say that.
Oh, it's fun video time. You didn't know you got that.
Is it actually good?
It's whack-a-doodle time. It is whack-a-doodle time.
Face your black. Face your black.
Black.
Okay, I can't see from
Is
this.
that black? Wait.
Major black. You're good. I can't see Amanda. I'm like seeing stars.
Yeah, no. Are you okay right now? Like, what's happening?
What is going on? Higher or lower?
Does anyone know?
I would love to know. I would also love to know. Higher or lower?
Lower.
I was like, we need to get a new card.
Yes.
Because we have higher or lower? Higher. Lucky. Okay. Oh. In between or outside?
Outside. Yes, that's a 9, bitch.
Damn, she tried to cheat.
Roll the tape.
Oh, yeah.
We're gonna take another shot. Wow, I don't think I've ever drank in a video before.
Oh my god,
It's for the 24th year.
Girl.
I know!
I almost filled that to the brim.
Charlie is watching. Charlie. Charlie, my finger. Ow, Charlie.
Okay.
Cheers to the best. Yeah. I'm allowed to ride the bus. Oh, it's brutal.
Yeah, that wasn't fun.
No. The way your words come out whimper. The first round didn't look too bad. Y'all hated that one like troopers, but that one, it looks like they're fighting.
The next one's gonna be
They're fighting demons.
Coming over, that's cool. I could use a little something to do. We could go outside, take a little ride if you want to. That's cool. I did what I was supposed to. There's nothing left for me to do. So now I'm walking out my head through the window. Cause that's what I feel.
The most important part of the night is honestly right now.
I don't know what to do.
Good morning. Good morning. It's 6 o'clock. What's wrong with me? It is the next day. I am walking to the Starbucks Reserve right now to meet Emma, Lena's brother, and Amanda for some drinks before dinner. We're going to La Picor for dinner, obviously. I'm gonna go get myself an espresso martini. My birthday is tomorrow. I have 6 more hours of being 23. Exactly else would I go for my final dinner of 23? Where exactly else?
This is exactly where we're meant to be.
They really didn't want to see there. Oh yeah, I'm gonna have to grab some of these immediately.
Do it. Give us a taste test at least.
My last dinner of 23
Left that one there the same.
has to be here.
Do we think this is getting it?
What's going on here?
Innovation that excites.
I'm concentrating. No, she's living. Cheers. Round 2. Lena was like, yo, we could go somewhere else. And Emma's like, we ain't going anywhere else.
Let's get serious. So for real.
Where are we going?
Yeah, true. This is our spot. It's home.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday,
my dear Hannah. Happy birthday to you.
Have extra needs.
Aww.
But I also teach
Thank you.
other
Thank
things
you.
too, but like
Hello. Got back from dinner a few hours ago. I got cleaned up. I did a face mask. I have a hair mask in right now. I'm wearing my nice pajamas my mom got me for Christmas. Just relaxing. Charlie was laying here, but she just cut up to eat. I am gonna be 24 in approximately 20 minutes. It's really not that deep, but it kind of feels like it is because it's a whole other year in the books. That's a big deal. I'm really proud of what I've done this year and all the progress I've made in so many aspects, every aspect really of my life. I'm excited for 24. I just know it's gonna be really good because I'm going into it with a good mindset about it. I'm excited. Hopefully it's the best year yet. Ideally every year would be the best year yet because it would just keep getting better. You know what I mean? Gosh, I got to do so many things in year 23. I saw Harry Styles 6 times. I went to Europe for the first time. I ate pasta in Italy. I made so many new friends. I found new favorite things, new favorite restaurants, new favorite places. Charlie's going to the bathroom right now. I know, that's what I'm saying. Okay, anyway, I'm gonna reflect more in my podcast episode that I'm gonna record tomorrow and do like a 24 lessons I learned in my 24 years. I don't know, I thought this will be nice to have, like, to record when I'm about to be 24, and then I can look back on it and be like, wow, I know. Who knows what me of the future will think, or what position she'll be in, and what she'll think of all of this. Hopefully she's happy and healthy and thriving and living her best life. I'm gonna go. Next time I talk to y'all, I will be 24. This is so dramatic. Good night, 23. You were fun.
Could I please get a venti iced brown sugar oat milk shaken espresso with 2 pumps of cinnamon dolce?
Okay, my mom got me scratch offs. We're gonna do these and see if I win any of them. All right, let's do this first. Yay! I won $100. Let's go! Let's fucking go! Good morning, everyone. I am 24. Yay! Today's April 24th. It's my golden birthday, 24 on the 24th. It is almost noon. I haven't said hello yet, sorry. This morning I walked over to Starbucks and I got my free drink. I love that Starbucks does that. It makes me so happy. I have been babysitting that because I want it to last as long as possible. This is my favorite drink. My venti iced brown sugar oat milk shaken espresso with 2 pumps of cinnamon dolce. I don't know why I haven't put my camera on this humidifier before because this is kind of good. Hold on, it could be better. Oh, that's it. All right, I did that. I have been responding to sweet text messages and Instagram messages and stories and comments from my friends and family and everyone so far today, which has just been so nice. I feel so like loved. I got my card from my parents in the mail and it was a beautiful card. I cried, and then she sent me some scratch offs. So I won $100 on a freaking scratch off. I don't think I've ever won that much on a scratch off before. I won $100 on a $5 scratch off card, which is very exciting. And then since then I've just been sitting at my computer because I have a lot of work to do today. I was finishing up my notes for my podcast. I want to do like a birthday themed podcast. I'm gonna do a little recap of the weekend and then 24 things I've learned in my 24 years. So I was just writing down the rest of the 24. I am about to record my podcast because I have momentum right now. I'm on like the birthday high, so I might as well just do it while I have that motivation. I'm very much like celebrationed out, it feels like, because I celebrated all weekend. So now that it's the actual day, I'm like, it felt like it was the actual day 2 days ago. I'm just gonna record my podcast, tackle the rest of my work, and I'll see what time it is and where I'm at when I'm done with all of that. I'll check in later.
Slow down, hold on tight now. It's okay to meet me at the front line. I've got cold feet.
Okay, status update. I ordered Chinese for delivery, which is my ideal scenario, not gonna lie. I'm FaceTiming my mom. I have my food. I got some spring rolls and my steak lo mein, and I'm watching the Rangers playoff game. They're home right now. This makes me so happy. I get this exact same thing every time, and it hits.